Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Afterpay on Temu. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end. So the first thing you want to do is actually be on the ClearPay website like I'm on here. And what you want to do from here is just go up to the search bar and we can just type in Temu. And then when we click search, as you can see, the first option is Temu. And as you can see, there is actually also a sale now for up to 90% off. So you just want to click on this here and it will actually open up a new page. And here's where we can actually start shopping for our items on Temu. So you just either want to browse for what you're looking for, or you can also search for it in the search bar up here. And when you have actually found the item that you want, let's just say I wanted this massage gun, we can click add to cart, we can click add to cart, and then select the colour and quantity and add it to cart. So what we can do from here when we actually get to the checkout is, as you can see, there is an option under payment methods to pay with ClearPay. So we want to make sure this option is actually ticked, or our payment will not go through ClearPay. So we do have to make sure we do that at checkout. And then when we are ready to actually go ahead and order our item, we can click submit order here, and our order will actually be paid through Afterpay. So that is exactly how you can use Afterpay on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.